Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And on this video I want us to explain example 3, set 2, and it is about shading the Venn diagram. In part A, we are supposed to show on a Venn diagram the region represented by A prime intersection B. A prime intersection B. This intersection is very strong because we understood in the previous slide of the PowerPoint that intersection has to obey all the rules. The key word about intersection is and. And means if somebody is doing physics and biology, then that will be represented by physics intersection biology and, not either, not one, but both, that all the rules have to be observed. Union, on the other hand, is majorly represented by the word or, and this one is a bit relaxed because union means if you are doing physics, let's say physics and biology, physics or biology, that means you can be doing physics only or biology only or both of them. It is not as strict, but let us see. In a Venn diagram where we have A and B, and then this is A and this is B, this is A and this is B. Outside A, it means we shade everything that is outside A. And outside means this. This is outside A. All this is outside A. Outside A. We don't touch A anywhere. That all what we have shaded is everything outside A. Intersection B means inside B. Then for this one, we have to shade everything that is inside B. But we have to change now the direction of the shading so that I can explain something here. Inside B, inside B, inside B, inside B, inside B, inside B. So you will see that A prime intersection B is whereby we have double shading. Where we have double shading. Double shading means the region has to be outside A, at the same time it has to be inside B. So if you look at that region, then you realize that we just have this region. Let me represent it here very fast. Let me show it here. Let me show it here. We have A there and we have B there. The region that is shown by the double shading is simply this region, this region. This is where we have double shading. That's why we have double shading. And this is now the region which shows A prime intersection B. That is it. A prime intersection B. A prime intersection B. Let us go to part B. Part B, we are having A prime union B. Union is not so strict. Still we have A and we have B. A prime means outside A, everything outside A. Everything outside A. Union means or inside B. Let's talk about inside B. Inside B. And for that matter, here, the region that we require to show is the region that has at least a shading, not necessarily double shading, is the region that has at least a shading. Because if we have a region that is outside A, or inside B, or in both, so long as we have a shading, we are not as strict. So long as we just obey one rule. Anything that is just outside A, that is good to go. And union B, Then we have this region. So anything that is shaded now is exactly what is being shown. The only point that is not required is this region. So if we have now to show the A and B, anything that has a shading will still repeat the same thing outside A, but at the same time inside B. So we'll just show the same region. And all what we have is now A prime union B. That shows everything that is outside A or inside B. Anything that has a shading, that is exactly what we need to show. So union is not as strict as intersection. For intersection, you have to obey all the rules. But for union, so long as you obey just one rule, for example, outside A, you are good to go. You are inside B, you are good to go. Or you obey both together, you are still good to go. But for intersection, you have to be both outside A and at the same time inside B. Very strict. Outside A and at the same time inside B. And that is exactly what we have to show. Thank you.